Okay, so welcome back everyone. What happens to the next week? Because we have a expiry week coming in 25th, 25, 26 this week, and also on 28th there is a holiday. Okay, so what is going to happen? Okay, so how the market will react? Let us try to come to this particular video where we are going to do the weekly analysis in this video. So what are the which are the levels? What are the levels? Okay, how the market is reacting in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also in these indexes, and also stocks also can how they are going to react. That and all. Let us try to understand. Okay, so my name is Shashikant. So I'm going to bring you daily analysis and weekly analysis videos. So please subscribe to our channel where you are going to see every day what is the next move in the market, and also we are using the institutional investors, those kind of standard tools. We are not going to use very old tools. These are the modernized tools, very smart tools. It will give you the clear context and direction for any option trader, future trader, or any other day trader, swing trader, even though future investors also. Okay, so now you can see I'm bringing you a 15 plus years of investment bank experience where in investment banks what we do, we use the standard tools like this market profile and order flow footprint charts, where what is happening in the market we can try to see. Nevertheless, let us try to understand from 18 to 22 what all happened. You can see on 18th market was completely tanked down. That means whatever the previous 13th of the May the levels were there, almost it reached to there. From there it actually shoot up. Okay, it shot up from here. You can notice so tight is okay. So ABC session, as soon as it reached, the bears were sitting here, they actually triggered the market, and then again it went up. Okay, so and also every session it was buy on rise until HIJK it react little sideways, but still from LM session, so it was really good market. And same thing on 19th, what happened? Market slightly opened, where exactly it closed there only, but at the upper level sellers were sitting, and also USA and Iran, whatever the news is happening, also the rupee fall, whatever it is happening, the rupee fall against the USD, that is also again it is playing a very important role. And also crude oil price also it is fluctuating, so that is also impacting a lot more the market. And same thing what happened, the some good news, that news, this news, so market is completely clueless. So that is the reason sensitive emotional sensitive market what we say. So that is all happening, and we have seen these kind of things in the order flow as well. So as soon as the market was closed here, then again came to 20th of the May. So 20th of the May completely it was a gap down, and then again every session was buy. Same thing which happened on the 18th, same thing it reflected. You see the pattern of the market is same. That is the reason we can try to make a good profit by referring the patterns. Okay, so exactly where it was there, so slight above few more points, that's it. And also KLM session, so it got closed, then again we came to on the 21st of the May. So market was gap up, but still every session it was sell on rise, and still it was sustaining here only at the 23,630. And after that what happened? Friday, last Friday, that is 22nd, market was slight gap up, and then again it reached to the level of high level range of 21st. After that it started selling a little bit, and then again still overall the market, if we consider, it is a uh, at the lower levels the institutional players are buying, you can clearly notice. Okay, so these kind of things we won't be able to come to know from the candlestick. Even though if I go with a daily chart here in the Nifty, you can notice. So here Nifty in the candlestick, why only it will show the red color and green color candles, that's it. Okay, it should not show, or it won't show that much details. Okay, so that is the reason what we can understand from the market profile and order flow as a institutional players or as a institutional investors, or even though as a institutional or investment banks domain side. So we actually study the detail of the market. Okay, the same thing you can see, I'm sharing the Nifty. I'll go with the Nifty 60-minute chart. Now you can see everywhere what all happened, it will show daily and all. If I go, you can see daily also it will show like this, and in the daily candles and all. Okay, so in the order flow footprint it is clearly evident that, so at a higher levels, even though whenever the market is closing at the end of the day, you can notice this is the clear EOD chart. Okay, yeah, or even though I will try to change it to the 60-minute. Okay, so that would be good. 1 hour will be getting. Okay, so you can see here whenever the sell off is happening, the market is rising, again sell off, market is rising. Okay, so it is happening from last continuously, it is happening. Okay, so that's the beauty in the market. Whenever, wherever, whichever level, where exactly the market is rating, we can clearly see with the delta and cumulative delta along with the volume, and then again cumulative delta per volume, and also we have got a buyers and maximum buyers, minimum buyers. So whenever maximum buyers, minimum buyers, so who are there, okay, at what level, who is doing what, so we can clearly indicate, and it will indicate, and clearly we can try to see. And here left side you can see we got a more and more volumes as well. Okay, so at what level, what volumes are reflecting along with the price, how it is, uh, it is behaving, that is very important. Okay, the deviation from this particular range, the deviation from higher range, lower range, you can easily refer it. And also in case of we have a divergence and convergence, price divergence and price convergence, along with the price and along with the delta we can relate. Okay, so these are all the techniques we normally study in our weekend courses as well. So if you're really interested, come and join our weekend courses. Our team will help you on the same in the video description. So we have got all the details. Please register for the same thing happened with the bank nifty. I'm sharing the bank nifty chart. You can see whenever the market tanked here, so by at the bottom level, so there is a buy happening. Okay, you can see here on 18th, that is on Monday, market was completely tanked down. So from the Monday level again it shot up, again on Tuesday tanked down, again shot up, again on last Friday, that is market was buy on dip. Okay, so that's how basically we can try to understand. So whenever the market is behaving like this, we should be careful, even though it is a mild sideways market, but dip, there is a institutional buying is happening at any moment. War can stop, we are expecting a good news. Okay, so shortly we might be expecting a good news. That's the reason market is sensing all this. So that's what basically we can try to see. And also, even though I'm sharing the bank nifty 30-minute chart as well, you can clearly notice. Okay, so from 18 to clearly it is reflecting here till the 22nd. So buy on dip is happening. So at what level, who is playing a which role, and also you can clearly see here. Even though I'll change it to bid and ask, you can clearly notice how many buyers are there, how many sellers are there, at what level, how it is delta is changing. And also you can see many people, they might have short on IJ session. Okay, so as soon as it came to K session, so it directly started shooting up. So here we'll come to know that who is actually buying, who is actually selling. You can see in detail buyers and sellers values are here. All right, that is a fantastic way how to analyze the market. And I hope you have understood most of the things, weekly analysis, and also what can be the tomorrow's plan. So that also I'll explain. So if the tomorrow's plan, if the Nifty opens 200 points above, 100 points above, that means on Fridays a range above, if it opens, then again you can go on by. Make sure the range. Okay, so by referring the footprint chart or the order flow footprint chart, so you have to see it, who are there, what is the delta, what is the delta along with the volume, and also delta along with the volume along with the price direction, whether it is sustaining or not. Okay, and this particular market profile chart, it will clearly indicate you, as and when I click on here, you can see there are various indications here. Correct, you can see here at the left side what indications. If I click on here, now you can see it is showing IB range, and it is showing the volume high, VA high, point of control, VA low, etc, etc. All right, so you can see 23,821 is a VA high, point of control is 23,793, VA low is 23,737. So these are all the ranges where we can try to see it here. That's a fantastic way. So to approach the market profile and order flow analysis, please study from here. Even though it has been given a good return, I mean a good analyzation for us, and in the live trade we can easily take on good trades. Okay, so this is for the day. I hope you have understood, and let us see in the upcoming videos what all going to happen and all. Okay, so thank you so much all of you, and have a good day, good weekend, and also good luck for your upcoming days as well. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.